A political analyst gave an assessment on the growing presence of the middle class in recent protests against corruption. MJ Mondiha reports.
This was the scene at EDSA on Sunday, September 21st, at the height of the National Day of Protest. The EDSA shrine in Ortigas was paralyzed, as well as a northbound lane near the EDSA People Power Monument. Noticeable at the rally was the presence of those from the middle class. Many celebrities also joined the protest, which stemmed from corruption issues involving flood control projects under the Marcos Jr. administration. According to political analyst Professor Eric De Torres, the participation of the middle class earners in the protest is crucial.
At kitang-kita po natin, ito yung himagsik ng saloobin ng mga middle class po na kung saan sila po ang talagang lumalaban ng parehas at lumalaban ng nagsasakripisyo para sa kanilang pamilya.
A middle-class family typically earns 25,000 pesos to 145,000 pesos per month, depending on family size and the cost of living. There are often those with regular jobs, small businesses, or professionals with enough income to live decently, but not that excess to be considered wealthy.
Panahon na rin din po na tignan, bigyan din ng pagkalinga yung ating pong mga middle class.
Approximately 40% of the Philippine population are middle-class earners, while 58.4% belong to the low-income class, and only 1.4% are high-income class. According to De Torres, the middle class has no issue with paying taxes, even if they're not included in government dole programs or subsidies. They also rarely join protest actions as they prioritize work and livelihood. This makes their presence in the recent EDSA movement significant.
Makita lang po natin na napupunta sa maayos yung atin pong ibinabayad na dahil pinagsisikapan po natin yan eh. Nagsusumikap po kami na magturo at bawat pagtuturo ng additional subject po namin, tinataktan po kami ng malaki. Pero yung frustration na halimbawa po mula sa bahay ninyo o papunta sa eskwelahan na tinuturoan niyo o kahit saan man pong trabaho na kung saan mula sa bahay ninyo papunta doon, makita mo man lamang na maganda yung daan, gumagana yung pasilidad ng pampublikong transportasyon, may kaayusan. Ito ay testimonya na para sa mga middle class na gumagana o may pinatutunguhan yung buwis natin.
Professor De Torres expects the protests to continue as long as no one is held accountable for corruption. He also anticipates more middle-class earners joining demonstrations in the future.
Alam nyo, isa ho sa mga napakagandang trait at napakahusay na trait ng mga Pilipino yung pagiging matiisin natin, yung resiliency natin. Pero may hangganan po yung resiliency din natin. May hangganan din po ito at tingin ko we deserve better. We deserve more.
For Government of Philippines, MJ Mondiha, SMNA News.